Welcome everybody. This is Milansoccer1313 bringing you box break number 481. As always, we start off by showing the time here. Oh, we're at random. Our current local time, let me just hit refresh here in Toronto, is 11:10 p.m. my friends. That means we are 10 minutes after Winnipeg would have sold and we are ready to go. This ended April the 13th and it is for one box of Series 1. This happens to be box number 3 of our final case of Upper Deck Series 1. It is case number 4, box 3. The serial number you see there was listed in all 31 listings on eBay. If you open up your description, you'll see that description there in the that serial number there in your description. If you haven't already, please subscribe to 1313 Milan Soccer on YouTube. If not, it's okay. I always send the link via eBay messaging. All right. Everybody here has been with me before, but let's just go over the rules really quickly. Let's pick on Ethan Bada. He's a good guy. He has the Jackets and the Panthers in this break. I'm going to open up this box. There's going to be 24 packs. Each pack generally contains one hit. That is the card and only the card that gets mailed out. If there are any Florida Panther cards or any Columbus Blue Jacket hits, I'm going to package them up and mail them to Ethan Bata to his shipping address on eBay. Please make sure your shipping address is up to date and accurate because that's what I use to ship. In the unfortunate event, however, that let's say there are no Columbus Blue Jacket cards in this box, I'm going to mark it as shipped on eBay because I have to clear it off the system as shipped. However, nothing physically is going to be mailed to Ethan Bata because there was nothing to mail. I know he paid 50 cents for the team for shipping and handling, but that's a small collection from everybody to help with the amount of product, packaging, and shipping that needs to go with Upper Deck Series 1. Let me know if you have any questions. Let's get to it. Anto Bata has the Bruins, the Sabres, and the Wings. Ethan Bata has the Jackets and the Panthers. Bizik has the Coyotes, the Hurricanes, the Blackhawks, the Stars, and the Devils. Hard 72 has the Wild. Hockey MC has the Avalanche and the Kings. Oh, and the New York Islanders. Jakey Bia has the Pittsburgh Penguins. Marty Dullies has the Senators and the Lightning. Sergeant B has the Knights, the Capitals, and the Jets. Sean Wan has the Oilers. Spares has the Sharks and the Blues. Southern Pat has the Rangers. Tattooed the Plane has the Flyers and the Leafs. Trace Fan has the Predators. Wire Puller has the Flames and the Canucks. And rounding us out, Zach 0900 has the Ducks and the Montreal Canadiens. Seattle's not ready yet. It's just set up for Series 2. All right, 459566. As I bring you guys over to the webcam. And as always, before we begin, we show that 459566, clear as day, as promised, as advertised, and now being delivered. Good luck, my friends. Again, this is box 3. Box 2 was a doozy. Let's continue that trend. Here we go. Our first hit is a debut dates of Bowen Byram and your Colorado Avalanche. Very nice to start. I haven't seen that card yet. We get our dazzler right out of the way. Jacob Voracek for your Philadelphia Flyers. Congrats. Boxes 4, 5, 6, and 7 are up for next week. We are changing gears to case number 2 tomorrow night and Friday night. So hope to see you guys on that. Johnny Gaudreau for your Calgary Flames. Our first young gun is a good one for your Ottawa Senators. Ole Alsing. There we go. Congratulations to Ottawa. Young Guns, Logan Thompson for your Vegas Golden Knights. Congratulations to Vegas. Upper Deck Canvas, Matt Murray for your Ottawa Senators. Haven't seen that canvas card. Vitek Vanacek, rookie retrospective for your Washington Caps. Variant Francais, Torrey Krug for your St. Louis Blues. There's one French variant in every box. This time it lands on a base card. Congratulations to St. Louis. Young Guns, not bad for your Anaheim Ducks, Jamie Drysdale. Young Guns Canvas, Tice Thompson for your New Jersey Devils. Congratulations, New Jersey. That's a good looking card, too. It's going to hit the cursor so we don't time out. We are out of focus here again now for some reason. Shea Theodore for your Vegas Golden Knights, electromagnetic. Debut dates, Edi Sorokin for your New York Islanders. Alex DeBrincat, honor roll for your Chicago Blackhawks. Simon Benoit for your Anaheim Ducks. Young Guns. Anaheim has a good young team. I know Getzlaf is finishing off his career this year, but in a few years, that team will be a team to be reckoned with. Electromagnetic, Nick Suzuki for your Montreal Canadiens. Not bad. We are still waiting for our case hit or box hit, whatever you want to call it. Generally, there's one per box. We don't know what it is. Upper Deck Canvas, Matt Dumba for your Minnesota Wild. It's always fun to see what it could be. Always exciting. Young Guns, Brinson Pasicuk for your San Jose Sharks. Wow. Talk about case hits. Woo! Alex Lafreniere, #1 draft pick. Clear picks for your New York Rangers. That is a monster hit. Big hit for the Rangers. Congratulations. Let me know if you would like that tracked, please, to the owner of the Rangers. Wow, these 4 cases I picked out, they've been fantastic. I'm really happy for you guys. Monster after monster in these cases. Nikolai Ehlers for your Winnipeg Jets. Looks like he's doing a little goal celebration. A la Michael Jordan with his tongue sticking out. Jack Atchin, Young Guns for your Boston Bruins. I guess we are no longer waiting for the box or case hit any longer. That is a doozy. There's our hundo percent going to the Chicago Blackhawks and Duncan Keith. And as always, please wait till the end. We always show who owns the last hit and sign off with the time. And there's another box case hit. Nikita Kucherov, not bad for your Tampa Bay Lightning. These jersey cards come maybe 2-3 in a case. So that is another box case hit. Congratulations, Tampa Bay. 2 packs to go. A Simeon Varlamov for your New York Islanders. Looks angry. Final pack. What does it have in store for us? Boxes have been great. I'm really happy for you guys. Hope to see you tomorrow night. Igor Shesterkin for your New York Rangers. Not bad. Honor roll. Let's see who owns the Rangers. And we will sign off with the time. Let's get back to the main screen here. And find the New York Rangers. Did I miss it? Nope. Sudden Pat owns the New York Rangers. Congratulations. Also on the Lafreniere card. Very good. And let's go back to the time. Hit refresh. Doesn't seem to tick while I'm not on it. It's now 11:23 p.m., my friends. Thank you. And again, back to case number 2 starting tomorrow night. I think we're doing boxes 7 on Thursday and box 8 on Friday. Thanks, everyone.